Bitcoin crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's November 17th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 20 from yesterday's 23. Bitcoin dominance is 38.5%. 24-hour volume is 58 billion. The overall market cap is 824 billion. If I'll take 100 million. Well into a sea of red bears we forge on. Amidst the hijinks and calamity, Bitcoin price action just minces words at the 16.5 level. Yesterday we said the measure of health and strength is whether or not we're above or below the 20 moving average. And after fighting to stay above it yesterday, we did drop down and find a bottom at 16.3 and has since pouted up to, at time of production, 16.5. Now, after finding out the final tally of the nerd bomb polyamorous body count, which is that a data alert? Yes, it is. Just a friendly reminder of some hidden bearish divergence as price action has made lower highs, while the MACD has made higher highs. And looking at the MACD, you can see she's about to cross bearish again, which does not lend a lot of confidence to today's movement. And I'm going to draw this symmetrical triangle so we can see our exit points to the upside at 16.8. And to the breakout downside would be at 16.3. But this is a 4-hour chart, and she's a what? That's right. She's a noisy little so-and-so. Now over on the ding-dong, we can see our symmetrical triangle is just the pennant in our bear pennant. Now our best case scenario is that we maintain this channel, kind of ranging between 18.3 and our bottom of 15.5, rubbing shoulders with the parameters till we break up and out, which could be a while, as the last channel we just broke down from was started in August and lasted till last week. Of course, if we do break down and out, our target for this bear pennant is 10.2. Why you got stuck? Quick look at the Wookiee sees that if we duplicate that channel we spoke of in the ding-dong, it would look something like this. And the real test would be seeing what happened if we retest that 18.3 level, which is also the 50% fib retracement. A rejection from that level could see the birth of our next leg down via the bear pennant playout. But let's recap, shall we? The 4-hour chart is in a symmetrical triangle pattern with breakout targets of 16.8 and 16.3, with a bearish divergent kicker to potentially pull us down. The ding-dong is hoping to stay in this 15.5 to 18K range rather than breaking down into this bear pennant. And the Wookiee showed us how said range needs to break up and out of a resistance level of 18.3, or else that rejection could bring on the bear flag probability of 10.2. And is it me, or is it just a little too quiet And I'm not referring to the deafening silence the mainstream media is maintaining on Sam Bankman-Fried and his nerd bomb, sex called crypto fraud. Although, when a fraud like this goes all the way up to the highest echelons of political theater, it's no surprise that the failed, broken system of media propagandist news organizations just tuck their tails between the empty space once inhabited by their journalistic balls and puff paste, meaningless fodder, into its muted echo chambers. It's the opinion of this humble piano that this is the gurgling death rattle of a system in decline, and from its ashes will rise Bitcoin. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected league. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing me out. I'll run the banks of boom dash bang, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Oh, everything is good, everything is cool. We make millions of dollars and so can you. Just grab a seat in the Senate, watch the cash roll in. We only make $200K a year, but the three of ours combined net worth is well over $150 million. Isn't that amazing? Make sure you like and subscribe.